Don't cheat, please, because that I do regret certain.
Let's go.
This might be my best year. I don't know if I forgive that. I don't know. I also want to look into adopting. I got beat up. Let's just say that. Single, ready to mingle. Past relationship. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you to subscribe and hit the little notification bell button. That way you're notified every time I upload. Woof, that was good. That was good. This is another beauty video for you guys. My previous one was all about hair, and now this one is all about makeup. I'm just going to be doing my makeup while I answer some of your questions, and I'm very excited because I love the way my makeup turned out. This is like my everyday makeup look for quarantine because I am filming a lot, I'm making a lot of TikToks, I am creating content for Instagram, so I like to do a full face for that sometimes, which I've been doing this simple. It's very simple, just one eyeshadow and just a really nice lipstick. I do have a full face on though. That was a little contradicting. I have a full face on, but it's very simple. Also, this video is very chatty. I know you guys like when I chat with you guys about real life, not just like, all right, I'm doing this because I think it would be great for your eye shape. I'm not that type of beauty guru, so I hope you guys just really enjoy it, and if you want to know how I achieved this look and know a little more about my personal life, just keep watching. On my lips, I have this product from Image Skincare. It is their Ormetic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. My face feels super dry right now because I am fresh out the shower. I have not moisturized my face. If you hear any noise in the background, that is going to be so annoying. I hope it does not annoy you, but they're doing construction apparently, or somebody's doing something outside, so we're just going to ignore it. But yeah, my face feels so dry because I am fresh out the shower and it's like about to crack. So I'm going to moisturize with a new product. I'm going to do my serum first and my eye cream. Wow, this moisturizer from Pixi feels like a whole facial. Wow, it's so smooth. I love it. Don't forget your neck. I'm going to mix these two products together because one of them is for blurring and the other one is for illuminating. So I want both for this look, so that's why I'm mixing them together. I'm going to use this foundation from CoverGirl. It's their Clean Fresh Skin Milk foundation, and I'm in the shade medium. Really like this because it's very light but buildable, but it gives me like a nice dewy natural look. All right, so I'm going to be answering some questions for you guys just to make this video a little bit more entertaining, because honestly I don't like watching makeup videos unless they are doing a Q&A or just talking about life, because I don't know, I just don't like watching makeup videos unless they're doing something else, like a juicy Q&A or something. Gotta brush these eyebrow hairs. Sometimes I say that I do regret certain things because I just don't like the pain that I'm feeling or stuff like that. Like sometimes I just think and I'm like, if I would have just ended it sooner, I wouldn't be going through all this right now. I would have been completely healed. But at the end of the day, overall, I don't really have any regrets. I honestly don't sound all that confident answering that question, but it's because I'm a little lost right now. I'm a little confused, so. I definitely have insecurities, but they're rooted in my past relationship. Does that make sense? I don't know how to explain it, but everyone has insecurities, but I don't really beat myself up for it, only when I think about my previous relationship. And it's not that my ex-boyfriend ever like called me bad names or was disrespectful to me with words or anything like that. He would always call me beautiful and always would tell me I'm the best to ever do it. But you know, there were like certain things that happened in the relationship that made me feel very insecure. Until this day, I still carry those insecurities, but overall I'm not really an insecure person. Like I don't, like nobody else makes me feel insecure, and especially no other guy. Like I will never say, oh, I'm not good enough for that guy. Like maybe he's not the guy for me, but with other guys, I'm not like that. And I know this question is very like general, it's not talking about relationships specifically, but that's the only like times that I feel insecure is when I think about like my past relationship. I'm just cleaning up my eyebrow with some concealer. So this eyebrow definitely looks so different from this one. This one looks good. I need to fix this one up. I am single, ready to mingle. Some of you know that I recently just got out of a long-term relationship, and of course I'm very heartbroken. I'm much better now though, but I'm open to dating, very open to dating. I definitely don't want to take anybody seriously because I feel like I'm young and this is a time for me to just figure out what I want, what I don't want in a relationship, and just live my life however I want to, without any commitment to someone else. Yeah, so I'm very open to dating, but not to take anybody seriously, just to have fun, just to maybe build a friendship with somebody, or yeah, just to have fun, you know. I'm young, why not? All right, do my eyebrows look better? I think they do. Going in with some eyebrow gel just to make sure my baby hairs are in place. My eyebrow hairs are in place and don't move. I had pancakes for breakfast, so that was the last thing I ate. I've been eating pancakes every single day for breakfast. That's so bad. I always do this though. I have a pancake obsession like every 3 months, and I'll eat pancakes every single day for breakfast, and then I'll get tired of it and not eat it for another like 2 months. My last real physical fight was in middle school, 8th grade. I got beat up, let's just say that. But I was always the type of person that said, I know I will lose, but I'm not a wimp, so I'm going to try to defend myself, and you know, because I'm not gonna back out. I'm gonna stand up for myself and do it. So yeah, that was my last fight in middle school, in 8th grade. Last day of school, I believe, as well. These are my favorite 2 concealers, so I'm just applying both of them just for a little more coverage, and I'm going to contour with this foundation stick from Bobbi Brown. I miss my dad and my whole family, actually. Brothers, my grandma, my sister. I hate pigeons. I know that's a strong word, but it's true. I really don't like them, and yeah, I don't like them. I'm like highly disgusted by pigeons. I will scream if there's one near me. I would only change things in the past if it didn't mess up the person I am today or the timeline, really. I want to have 3 or 4 kids, at least 2, definitely 2. Like I need to have 2 kids, and then I also want to look into adopting. Hopefully that is an option for me. Hopefully in the future, when I get married in like 10 years and have kids, I would still want to adopt, which I'm pretty sure I still would want to. I kind of want to adopt 2, so that's why I say 4, because I want to have 2 of my own and adopt 2 children. So if you don't have a big forehead, still contour or add bronzer to your forehead, because I didn't do that for a while and I would look so flat when I would take photos. Like there would be no dimension, no shadows to my face, so it would be like nice over here and then just flat. So you still want to contour your forehead even if you have a small one. Love, love, love this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I've been craving so bad. What is it? A seafood boil from Hot and Juicy Crawfish, or just any restaurant, but I just want a seafood boil. I want crabs, I want shrimp, all in the sauce with corn. Oh my goodness, I will die for that. And it's not like I can order it because it comes in a plastic bag, and I like eating it from the plastic bag, and you know the virus can live in the bag for a while, so don't want to do that. When I apply translucent powder nowadays, I like to apply it with a beauty sponge when it's like damp, the one that you were using, and just, what is this called? Pat it into my skin, not really brush it off, because then I get streaks and it just doesn't look that good. So I found that tapping it in, patting it in, just helps it look more seamless and better. Don't forget to apply eyeshadow on your lower lash line, because then you look naked. Yes, I've made a boyfriend cry before. Not fun. I mean, it wasn't enjoying. I don't know why I'm laughing. I think it's because of the whole situation, and now that I think about it, it's like confusing, but whatever. A lot of people love me. Definitely have trust issues. Not major ones, but specifically, like if I were to try to be in a relationship in the next like 10 years, I will definitely have trust issues. Definitely. I for sure give second chances easily. Even 3, even 4, even 5. Not anymore though. By the way, I love this blush. I feel like I've been saying I love everything in this video, but that's because I really do. That's why I'm using it. But this blush from Sephora collection is bomb. It's like the perfect pink. If you ever catch me with a lot of makeup and you're like, girl, your face looks cakey, let me know, because maybe it was a mistake. But most of the time when I take photos, I do kick on a lot of makeup just so it looks more vibrant in the photos. Going to be using that same Laura Mercier translucent powder for my contour to just clean it up and diffuse it a little bit. It's definitely easier to forgive, but honestly, I have a hard time forgiving people nowadays. Like, I'm definitely not okay with what people have done to me in the past, and I thought I forgave those people or person, but I don't think I really do. It's like too much to even forgive. I can't forget, definitely cannot forget, but to forgive, I don't know if I forgive that. I don't know. Like, how do you even forgive? Like, what if you don't speak to that person anymore? This might be my best year. It's definitely not yet because of this whole pandemic, but one of my goals is to move out by the end of the year or maybe in 2021. But because of this whole pandemic, everything's on pause, so it might be hard to find apartments, or it might be easier, to be honest. Rent might be cheaper after this, or I might find like apartment buildings with more concessions. But yeah, my goal is to move out, and I feel like that would be a very big step, so that would make me really happy. And I think once I do that, it will be the best year, just because I accomplished something so huge at 22, moving out of my parents' house. Been obsessed with this mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. It's actually really good. It reminds me of Urban Decay's, what is it, Perversion mascara. I really love that one, but this one is also another alternative, and it's their Curl Separation Volume Length Drama 5-star mascara. Cheating is never okay. Never. You don't know, like, what cheating does to your significant other is so horrible. It does so much damage to them emotionally and mentally. Oh, I would not recommend it. Don't cheat, please, because it just gets so much harder once you do that. Your partner is going to find out. Either sooner or later, they're going to find out, and you're just going to put yourself in a whole mess. So if you cheat, at least tell them right away and be sincerely sorry, or let them know, like, you know what, I don't want to be in a relationship with you. It's going to keep happening. But obviously, I know people don't really do that, especially men. Men don't really say that. They just keep cheating because they still want the stability that their main girlfriend brings, but then they got side hoes. It's just, don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't cheat, especially if that person that you're in a relationship with is so heavily involved with you and you guys been together for so many years. Even if you've only been together for 6 months, don't cheat. But it's just, at the end of the day, it does a number on them emotionally and mentally, and it can, it's just too much. Who the heck is doing construction right now? I thought everything was canceled, everything was on pause. Maybe it's like a neighbor doing some work outside of his house. I'm applying some white eyeshadow. I do want to get married one day, in like 10 years. Yes, it would be hard to kiss the last person I kissed. This is my everyday makeup look when I film videos or TikToks or shoot some content. Other than that, if I'm just like going about my day, I will wear no makeup, or I'll do just concealer, mascara, eyebrows, and lip gloss and call it a day. Food and genuine people make me happy. I would mind my business. I can't wait, oh my god. Last person I had a deep conversation with has to be Patrick. I don't know if I believe in soulmates. I don't know. That whole topic is like pending right now because I just don't really believe in a lot. But that's because I'm heartbroken, so of course it's only normal. Currently I'm not, because obviously of this whole pandemic, we can't even go outside.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
However, I am on Hinge here and there, like every other day, every 2 days, just swiping, seeing who's interested in me, who I'm interested in. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It will really help me out so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.